Alright guys, so there's this new thing that's becoming super popular. It's called one product dropshipping, and I've been getting so many questions from so many people that, hey, do you think what I'm doing is wrong? I should switch to one product dropshipping. Oh, my journal store is not working. Should I open up a one product dropshipping? And I think that's the worst thing about this one product dropshipping thing, that all these marketers are promoting this as the solution to your problems, and which is, I think, is so wrong. They're using your scarcity and FOMO mindset, because this is the thing: when something is not working for you, it's brain psychology. If something is not working for you, a person can use his fame or his famousness to tell you whatever you are doing is wrong. I'm doing the right thing. Click link in bio, I'll sell you a course right now. And I think that's the worst thing. I just want to establish this point: one product store, niche store, journal store, POD, print on demand, all these stores make money. Every single store make money, and there is not one store better than other. And I think out of all of them, what I have seen from the data, that journal store usually lasts longer, because you can actually hire teams and they go out there, do product research. There's one person running Facebook ads and all that stuff, and you can kind of automate that in the long run. And I've seen some journal store like iCool guys or something, they consistently make $500,000 every single week, and they've been doing that for months. But on the other hand, I've seen one product stores kind of go up and then just come down. And that's like that near every dropshipping store. It goes up, and then after a while, if you just leave it, and it's just gone. And I just want to let you know, one product dropshipping store is not end to all the solution. It's not end to all your problems. You still have to do the work. And just because, I don't know why you don't think, just because you have a fucking logo that matches your product, people is going to buy your product magically? You really think that? You think that's true? Just because you change the logo to something else is magically, or you start making money. Don't let anyone tell you what you're doing is wrong. Just fix your strategies. Most of the time, the reason if you are not having success, there's two main reasons. First, you're not testing enough products, and second, your Facebook ad strategy is not solid. That's the two things that always is correct. So all of them have their con and pros, but none of them has a pro or a con that outweigh others. All of them kind of in the same line, same boat. So don't let anyone convince you any differently. Me personally, I actually do kind of see, I think the niche stores are probably a little bit better, like the niche journal store. Let's say like a broad niche is like dog niche, because then you get the idea of how things work in the dog niche. And then when a new person comes in, he has to kind of beat you, you know? So that's the only thing that's good about niche store. With one product stores, of course, it's one product stores just like niche stores. It's just a different name. That's all it is. And they just try to sell you on this, and you just buy a course and you get scammed. And you are responsible for that, because you just fell for this thing. It's just one product dropshipping, and people are saying this is the best thing ever. Everything else doesn't work. This is only that works. Completely wrong. I never wanted to do a rant video, but I just watched some content, and I went through my DMs, and I was like, I need to tell you guys this, that don't think whatever you're doing. Two things you need to focus on: testing more products and getting your Facebook ad strategy solid. And that's it. Try one product store, try a niche store, try a journal. Just pick one of them and stick with it. All of them make money. It's really, you can use one product stores. It's really not that hard. All you have to do is just don't create a new store every time. If it doesn't work out, just switch up the logo and get a new domain, and boom, then now you have another store. So it's pretty easy. You do you, whatever you want to do, but remember, don't let anyone tell you that just because you have a niche or general store, that's why you're unsuccessful. That is completely wrong. That's it for today. Have a great day.